So UK spec BMW FSU is on the driver's side. Unfortunately, as you can see, I took out the wrong side, passenger front, so I have to put all that back together again. So I've got all the bits everywhere, all around, but it is actually, if I go down here, driver's side, just pull that back. So I've just taken it out. Let's just do there. You have to get a little piece out there, and there's a hidden screw as well, but I managed to get that out. Steering column, need to adjust that to get over that. That's the only way you're going to unscrew that hidden T20 you need for that screw to take that out. Sorry, it's a bit cold here. This is what I use, a smaller one, because I do have this one, which was I used literally to get out all of the screws. I use this one, but I couldn't use this one because that column was in the way, so I used a smaller one, which I did with this one. Tried a flexi bar as well first, because I thought I'd try that, but that didn't work. But this did. It's quite thin and flat as well, so that's what I used for the hidden one. I managed to get it, but it was a fight. It's very awkward, quite a big man, so if you've got big fingers like me, then yeah, it's a bit of a struggle. I would suggest maybe using a pillow, because you will probably be upside down trying to get that out. That's just my headlight, which I use to just put in there, and it's a torch, so get me a bit more light under there. And yeah, that's it.